3-in-1 laser, multifunctional laser machine. This one, the design is very simple and compact, very popular among the spas, salons, and the design is very good. We also accept customization on this machine, like logo on the machine case and logo on the screen, the product screen. And we also support color customization if you want. And of course, we will have a MOQ to design your own product. I think that would be not a problem for you. Okay, this one, besides the outlooking, the function is very powerful, and the part inside is also with the highest quality. And let's see. So this is the 3-in-1 machine. Okay, we have different tips for the RF handle. You can see this machine is with air cooling and water cooling. Before we use this machine, we need to add water from here, and when the water overflows, that means this machine is full. The water is full inside, and we can start to use this machine. Why we need to add water before this machine? Before using it, this machine, as this machine needs water to cooling down to work for the cooling system. This is the first point, and the second point is that the handle, the OPT handle will need water to cool down the temperature while doing the treatment. This is also called a painless hair removal treatment. Painless, okay? The cooling system will also help with the to help with the reduction of the painful feeling. So that's why the water must be added before using this machine. Okay, so this is the foot pedal we need to use with it when we are doing treatments for the YG handle. This one, this is the YG handle. Okay, so here are the 3 handles, and I'll show you how we use it. So firstly, we need to turn on the machine first. Okay, and here is the emergency button. When we ship the machine, this will be pressed down to protect the machine. And when you're using the machine, if any accident or emergency situation occurs, you can press down this emergency button immediately to cut off the power. And before we are using it, we need to screw it, and then just twist the key. So now we are getting on. We will select, this is the E-line handle. So this is the E-line handle for hair removal. And this is the RF handle. This is for facelifting. And XHR also is done by this OPT handle, E-line handle. They are the same function. Okay, both of these 2 functions is working for hair removal. And YG means this handle. This is mainly for the tattoo removal, and also a very popular treatment that is working for skin rejuvenation. That's called carbon peeling, or we also call it black doll treatment. This is very popular in the market during this time, and this is mainly for skin rejuvenation and to remove all the dirt on your skin to make your skin to make it a better status. Okay, now we turned into the interface. E-light. You can see we have also different treatments here: hair removal, skin rejuvenation, and pigmentation therapy, vascular therapy, and therapy, wrinkles therapy. Why the hair removal treatment can achieve so much functions, I will tell you later. Let's see the hair removal first. We can adjust. Here you don't need to adjust any parameters, and we need to adjust the power from here. Of course, we can start from a lower energy first, maybe to 25. Before we are using this handle, we need to equip with the filter. So this filter helps to transmit the light, the laser light. So we must need to use with this filter before we are using this handle. Okay, so filter must be plugged inside when we use this handle, and we can adjust the RF energy here. Of course, we need to start from a lower energy when we use it, and we need to turn on the cooling function here. This helps to reduce the temperature when you are doing the treatment to reduce your painful feeling. When we are ready, we need to click. So now it's working. Can you see? Can you see the laser light from the handle? Okay. So when we are doing treatment, we need to wear glass, wear a pair of glasses to protect the client's eyes. Okay, the client will need to wear these glasses, and the nutrient also will need to wear a pair of glasses to protect their eyes from the laser light. And we need to put gel on the skin before we are doing this treatment. Shake your hair before doing this hair removal treatment, and put gel. This is the second steps. And same also. Make the gels apply evenly. Okay, then we can please start. I can feel a little bit heat on my skin because the hair follicles will absorb the laser light. So the energy is very powerful. I can feel the heat is also very strong. And here we will have the cooling system to help with the temperature reduction. This makes me feel more comfortable. Okay, I will apply the glasses. So we need to wear the glasses before we do treatments because this helps to protect your eyes from the laser light. Okay, so when we do treatment, when we are ready, we can go on the treatment. So move slowly. Move slowly when you do the treatment. Move slowly when you are doing treatments. I feel the heat on my skin because the hair follicles is absorbing the laser light and the needle feeling a little bit pain but still standable because there's a cooling system help with temperature reduction. So that's fine with the treatment feelings. It's still acceptable of the energy. So when we think the energy is low and we can accept a higher energy, we can adjust the energy to a higher intensity. So maybe I will try 35 this time. Okay, so the painful feeling, the needle feeling is obvious, more obvious than just now. I can smell the smell of my hair was burned. My hair was burned, so we need to shave the hair before doing this treatment. So during the treatment, you will feel a little bit swollen on your skin. It's a normal situation because of the heat on your skin and the laser light energy working on the skin is a normal situation. So you need to move slowly when you are doing treatments. Just move slowly to the next part. Move slowly to the next part too. You think your skin is swollen enough, then you can finish a treatment. And different people will need to have different treatments based on their own hair situations. I can smell the smell of my hair is burning. So remember to shave the hair before doing this treatment. Shave hair before doing hair removal treatment. I feel a little bit swollen on my skin and I guess my hand is also getting red. If you're using OPT handle, the E-light or the SHR mode, you will need to do the treatment around 10 minutes to finish a treatment because it's moving slowly. Okay, so this is the OPT handle. So here is the treatment. When you finish treatment, you please stand right here and get back. Get back when we finish this treatment. And the next function is skin rejuvenation, pigmentation, and the vascular and the treatment and the wrinkles therapy. It's also the same function actually. when we are doing hair removal treatment, it's working also for the skin rejuvenation, also working for the pigmentation therapy, and also working for the vascular therapy and the treatment wrinkles treatment. Why? Because when we are doing the laser light treatment, the hair follicles will absorb the laser light, and the energy is concentrated, and your skin will feel the heat, and the heat will stimulate your cells, and it will produce more collagens. That's why it will achieve the skin rejuvenation result, and also the wrinkles removal. This helps to rejuvenate your skin. Okay, and as for this helps to improve the blood circulation of your skin, to improve the metabolism. That's why it also has the function of skin whitening for the pigmentation therapy, and also for the vascular therapy. And as for the other treatment, it's making your skin in a better status. Okay, so these are all the function of this handle ring. Okay, so when we can check into inside, the interface is almost the same. We need to adjust the energy intensity here, and again RF energy here. It's stand up when we are ready. You can see stand up, and the light is on. And click ready, and when you finish, you click stand up. Okay, get back. So this is the function of this machine. We need to remember to clean this handle after you finish your treatment. So I need to get a tissue to clean the handle. Remember to clean the handle after you finish your treatment. Otherwise, the gel will stick on the handle, and it is not good for this handle. Okay. And the second step is to clean our skin after the treatment. Clean the skin after the treatment. And as for the second function, is our RF handle. We can see, we can choose continuous or pulse. Normally, we can choose continuous mode and adjust the energy here. We need to adjust the energy. Also, our suggestion is that we need to start from a low energy, because we're not sure if your client can stand the high intensity, so we need to start from low energy. Maybe from 50. Okay, we will equip with 3 different tips for this handle. As you can see, this is the biggest part. This is the biggest one, and we have this 2 smaller one. Okay. You see? So this is for the eyes part, and this is for the face part. This is for face part also, but you can doing treatment on your body. So this one will be better because the treatment area is bigger. Okay, you can change according to your treatment and according to your client's needs. Okay, you can change. So these are the RF tips, and we click ready. When it is ready, it is on. The handle will have a red light here to show the handle is on. Okay, we need to apply gel on the skin before doing treatment, and we will need to click this. So you will need to click here, this button, and to move slowly on your skin or on your face. Okay, we need to move slowly, one by one. Slowly, one by one. Okay, this is for rejuvenation. RF means radio frequency. So it's different kind of frequency of the working principle. But the function is to achieve the result of skin rejuvenation, facelifting, wrinkle removal, and this one will help better because it is using a different working principles. Okay, so this is the RF handle, and the third one is YAG handle. You can see it has different frequency to adjust. The maximum is 8, but normally we can adjust to 3. 3 is enough for the frequency, and the energy is 1500. The highest energy is 1500. We can start from lower energy to try first. So this handle is mainly for tattoo removal, and we also have another function for it is to do the carbon peeling. So when we are using carbon peeling, we will equip with this laser tip, and we also need to use with this glasses to protect the client's eyes from the laser light. And we will need to use with this pedal, foot pedal, to equip with this YG handle. We need to press this pedal to make this handle working. So let's try this handle. Okay, I will get something to test. Since I don't have a black paper right now, I will try on this blue colors. I will try to use it on this blue color. So I guess I will need to wear glasses first. And same, we need to wear a pair of glasses to protect our eyes. And when we adjust the treatment, it's ready. Let's see. The energy is still very weak. It's weak. We can adjust it to a high energy. Because this laser tip is for the carbon peeling, the energy will seem to be not as strong. Okay. So it's still working. It's still working good on the blue plain paper. So the result looks better on the black paper. Okay, when we do the tattoo removal treatment, we need to change a different laser tip. We need to change different laser tip because this laser tip is mainly for the cotton peeling. Okay, so the treatment is ready. No, finished. Then we click standby. Okay, we click standby to finish this treatment. Okay, then I will put it back. So here is the 3-in-1 machine. This is the 3-in-1 machine. If you're interested in it, please feel free to contact us. We will offer you 100 discount for today's live stream. Okay, don't miss it. If you are interested in any machine in our store or one of the 3 machines, we'll be glad to have your needs. Okay, so don't forget to contact us if you need anything. Okay, so when we turn on the machine, we need to twist the key right here. So now it's off. If you think you need to keep the machine better, you can press down it also. It's fine if you don't press down. So it's filling up gently. Non-invasive and painless treatment. It's almost done. If you want to finish it, you can also move it slowly and finish the treatment.